Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So here we are able to see all the contact details. So now when I click on these contact details, I am able to see the static contact details page, right, which is available in the contact.jsx page. So this is the page. So right now we are having only the static data. So what I want to tell you is right now we are showing only the static data. So I want to show the dynamic thing based on the URL which we are trying to send it. So this is the ID, contact ID. Using that contact ID, I want to get the contact details of this contact, and I need to show these details here. So like this we need to do it. So now up to now we know how we can open the root URL using the dynamic root params. We have seen it. That is nothing but in our main.jsx file like contact ID. So we are able to show this one. Now in this video what we need to do is, so we are sending the dynamic root param ID, but how we can capture this dynamic root param ID in the loader. So in the loader, so that whenever this contact is loaded, so the loader has to get that particular contact details and it needs to show that contact details. So how we can do it? Let's try to see. So for this one, what we need to do first, we need to create a new loader for this contact. Why? Because whenever this root is getting loaded, so we need to get the particular contact details. So let's try to add this one. So here let's go into our contact.js. So this is our contact, right? So I can write it here, export async function loader, and here we need to get the contact ID. First we will try to get the contact ID. So that means this one. So how I can get this one in the loader? So we will be getting an extra variable, that is params. So now if you try to see, not params, actually it's a request. You will be getting as an argument request. Now if you try to check here console.log of request, so I will try to show you console.log of request. Now here if you try to see in this one, if I go into the inspect element and if I show here, so let's click on this another one. What it is happening? What is this? We are having one console. Yeah, here we are having, every time it is rendering it is showing one. Yeah, now if I click on this one, so we are not able to see any loader details. Why? Because so we have created the loader, but we are not using this loader anywhere. So let's try to use this in our main.jsx. So we are having this one here, right? So here I can write we need to load the loader as contact loader. I will use it like this, and here I can use for this one as loader as contact loader. Done. Now if you try to refresh this page, sorry, what's happening? Let's refresh this page. Yeah, if I click on this one, the page you are defining a loader. Okay, we are not returning anything. It is trying to say that we are not returning anything. Okay, let's return the return empty. We'll write return empty. Yeah. So now we are able to see this output. Now here in the console we are seeing the request object. So this request object, it is having three things. There is nothing but what is the type of request we got it, and we are having a params. In these params we are able to see a contact ID, which is nothing but the URL, so the data which is mentioning here. So now that means in this request we are having an extra key, that is nothing but a params. In that params we are having all the details which we are passing through in the URL params. So here what I can do is I can take this one as params, and in this params what I can do is params dot, or otherwise let's try to do the console.log. So if you see here params, and here we are able to see a contact ID. Okay, and here I can write it as params dot contact ID. Okay, and if you see here I am able to get the details. Whenever I click on particular URL, I am able to get this contact ID. Now using this contact ID we need to get a particular contact. Okay, so here we got the contact. Let contact is equal to, we will be having await get contact, and we will be sending this params dot contact ID. That's it. So we are sending this params dot contact ID. We got the contact ID and we are sending it get contact. Okay, get contact. Now let's write the code for here. Export async function get contact of contact ID. We got the contact ID. Contact id, and here also I can remove this one. Yeah, now in this one what we need to do, first we will call the fake network. So just I am calling it for the purpose. Now here we need to get all the contacts. Await get contacts. So we have the method which is an await get contacts. We got the contacts and we need to get a single contact. So contacts dot find, we can use the find and we'll get a contact, and we need to check contact dot id is equal to contact id. That's it, and we need to return this contact. Okay, so now we got it here. Yeah, now we got the contact, and here in our contacts.js, sorry, in our contact.js, so we got the contact, and here let's try to get the contact and we will return this contact. That's it, right? Or otherwise we need to import this contact. Let's import this contact, and I will console this contact also so that we can able to see the output. Now we are able to see these all complete details, right? So here I am able to see the complete details like first name, last name, and everything I am able to see. So this is how we will be getting all the contact details. Now if I click on this one, or if I click on this one, let's refresh this page. So now if I click on this one, so here we are able to get the contact. Now what I need to do, so here we are sending the contact through the loader. Now we need to capture the contact details. So here what I can do is, if you want, you can capture like use loader data, and this one is, we will be getting it as an object, right? You can have it like this. Now if you see the output for this one, now we are able to see a Leela web dev which we are having the data. Right now we don't have any data, right? So that is the reason we are not showing any image or anything. So but we are able to get the data. So this is how we will be capturing the data. Or otherwise what I can do is, so here instead of having this one, instead of having this one, we got the contact details is equal to, let's try to see whether we are able to get it or not. Just I will merge both the things. Okay, so I will take this one and I will push it at the top, and this contact details here I can add it like dot contact details like this. Let's see. So first, last, and all those things. So we are not able to, why we are not able to get it? So first, last we are having, and the contact details also we are having. So maybe at the time we are not getting data or what. So we are having a contact. Let's try to check this contact details. Oh, it is not a contact details, right? So it should be in such a way that we can have contact details. Let's see. Okay, and here I can use dot contact. Now let's see whether we can able to get it or not. Now we are able to get it. Why? Because so I am merging these all loader data with the static one so that we can get these all static data also. So like this you can do it, or otherwise you can have a dummy. You can assign a key to these contact details also. It's not an issue. So now I want to show you the basic scenario how we can capture the URL params in this one. So in the next video what we will try to do is, we will try to work on this edit functionality also. Hope you understood about this one. What I will try to do is, I will commit this entire code in a new branch, that is video-102, and I am committing this entire code, that is nothing but URL params in loader. So we are capturing that one. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, if you want to refer the code, means the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below. So you can go and you can refer the code. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.